Okay, here we are at the Walkerton Park. I just took the Magic Mini up with the Tech-Classed tablet, and the orientation doesn't work on the tablet. Maybe it's the location stuff is turned off, or maybe something, but anyway, that might have been it. I think I did have the Wi-Fi turned off and everything else turned off. But anyway, I'll check that later. Here we are with the Samsung Galaxy. Let's take it up and up it goes.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
There we are. And there we go. Okay. So let's get it in the middle here. There we go. So let's go back a little bit. And we're gonna watch for that. If you can see it, the orientation. So and I'm going to start the video. It's 2.7K, just so I can come in a little bit. So let's get a little closer. Here we go. There we go. Okay. So if I turn, see how that turns? And if I rotate the craft, it says it's rotating, and it says it's pointing away from me now. And that's about right. So that part works. But the orientation part, as you see when I come back into frame here, okay, so it's not right. So let me take it out of the frame here. Okay, so let me turn. There we go. I turn, as you can see, I turn the phone. Okay, so if I turn the phone, so now I'm going to turn the controller. Nothing happens. It's all about the phone. Let's put it back in. I just want to check that out. If it had anything to do with the controller, and it doesn't. It's all got to do with the compass that's on your device. Okay? So we know we've got 68%. It's pretty cool. So let's go up and just have a nice little flight. This is 2.7. I've never done video in 2.7, 30 frames per second here. So let's just go up, and this is normal mode. Go back and up. And over the river. And we're up about 25 meters. That's down the river. And then we turn around and we go up the river. Horizon's pretty good. Let's look down a little bit. There we go. Let's go down the river. 25 meters up. There we go. We'll go up a little higher, maybe to 30 meters. 35 meters or so. There we go. Just to be sure we clear everything. And go up past the bridge. We've gone just past the island before, and that's about 600 meters. So we're just going to go do the same thing again, but this is 2.7. And I'm going to see if it's any difference quality wise after everything. We're 37 meters up, and we're up at 500 meters now, out at, and We keep following that around. Here we go. So it's doing really well. Now, I have done a video of my little complaints about little bits and pieces of this kit, but for an actual drone flying, it's pretty good. I have my issues with the controller, and I just wish it wasn't so finicky unfolding, but that's just me. I'm not used to the DJI way of doing things. And if you point any of this out to a DJI fanboy, boy, are you in trouble. Here we go. So that's about far enough. So we're gonna come home. So let's do a
Go
no
home.
transmission confirm. Return to home. Okay. I'm hoping it's returning to home. It says so, but the video doesn't show it. It's got a sensor error. I've never seen that before. Well, then it should be coming home. I hope it's coming home. It's supposed to have 4-kilometer range. It doesn't. Where are you? States. Well, okay. This is the next morning, and I'm using my phone and the Find Me app, and I've kind of found roughly where I am here on the map. And when that ringtone thing goes away. Okay, so this over here in the middle of the screen is where I took off, and it went down the river, and that's where it ended up according to the map. Now I went into that dead-end street there and walked down the bush, and I used this, and this is what it told me, that it was here, and according to this I have to climb up and to the right a bit. So this is what I did. This is where I am, and the river is down there. I took off from over there, but it came across the river and it came towards me, and I'm assuming hit the biggest tree that's here. And lo and behold, from where I'm standing, I walk up 10 feet. What do I find? I find a Mavic Mini. And it's broken, and it doesn't have a battery. So the battery is here somewhere. I'm not too worried about that. At least I have the drone back. Wow, that's just incredible. I have the drone back, but it's no good. It's broken. So hopefully now DJI Refresh will kick in for a new one. That's a relief off my mind. I'm going to look around a little bit, see if I can find the battery, but I dare say I'd never find that. But in a place like this, to find the drone, absolutely incredible. I thought it was hung up in a 200-foot tree. I'll let you know what goes on. I'm looking around, and we did find the drone, remember? And yesterday I did walk around here and I couldn't find it. I didn't know what it was. And then I come by and I find the battery. The irony is, one step away is a footprint from yesterday. So I walked right over this battery yesterday, and I walked, and right down there was where the drone was found. I walked right by it yesterday. I walked beside that tree. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. More news to come.